P block elements 2, reaction of nitric acid with metal. How metals undergo reaction with both dilute nitric acid, very dilute nitric acid and concentrated nitric acid. There are 3 steps involved in this reaction. The reactions of metals with nitric acid are explained in 3 steps. Primary reaction, metal nitrate is formed with the release of nascent hydrogen. So metal undergo oxidation by nitric acid gives metal nitrate along with the nascent hydrogen. Reaction of nitric acid with metals. So it takes place in 3 steps. The primary step is one in which a metal undergo oxidation by nitric acid gives metal nitrate MnO3 plus nascent hydrogen. So this is the primary reaction takes place in all metal nitric acid reaction. And secondary reactions are of 2 types. And the first one is this nascent hydrogen bring out the reduction reaction of nitric acid. In the secondary reaction, this nascent hydrogen bring out the reduction of nitric acid. During the reduction, nitric acid may be converted into nitrogen oxides or nitric acid may be converted into other nitrogen compound. So there are 2 types of secondary reaction. One in which the nitric acid reduced into oxides of nitrogen. Another one is that the nitric acid reduced into another nitrogen compound. So first, nitric acid HNO3 when reduced with 2 hydrogen, nascent hydrogen, and it is reduced into nitrogen dioxide NO2 plus H2O, water molecule. So when we add 2 nascent hydrogen to nitric acid, it is reduced into NO2. I will tell how the nitrogen undergo reduction. So to balance, how many hydrogen left hand side? 2 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen, balance in even number. So we are here 3 hydrogen, next even number is 4 hydrogen, 2 nitrogen, equation is balanced. And nitric acid HNO3 when reduced with 4 hydrogen, all of our product are nitrogen oxide. Dinitrogen trioxide or nitrogen trioxide H2O is a common product. Here also 4 plus 1, 5 on number, next even number is 6. So 4 plus 2 equal to 6 hydrogen. 3 into 2 are 6 hydrogen, 2 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen. Nitric acid HNO3 when reduced with 6 nascent hydrogen gives. Again nitric acid reduced into NO along with H2O. 6 plus 1 equal to 7 on number, next even number is 8. Not 8. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. 8 hydrogen, 2 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen. Equation is balanced. Then nitric acid HNO3 when reduced with 8 nascent hydrogen, it is reduced into nitrous N2O and H2O. N2O and H2O. 8 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, 9 hydrogen, next even number 10. So 10 hydrogen, 5 and 2 are 10 hydrogen. Nitric acid HNO3 when reduced with 10 nascent hydrogen gives N2 plus H2O, N2 plus H2O. 10 plus 1 equal to 11, next to even number 12, 6 into 2 are 12, equation is balanced. Then nitric acid HNO3 when reduced by 12 hydrogen, it is reduced into not 12 hydrogen, 16 hydrogen, 16 hydrogens. It is reduced into ammonia NH3 plus H2O. So 16 plus 1 equal to 17, next even number is 18. So 18 hydrogen, 2 nitrogen, 6 into 2 are 12, 12 plus 6 equal to 18. So this is a secondary reaction taking place. All these reactions involve reduction of nitric acid into oxides of nitrogen and hydrate of nitrogen. How it is reduction? In nitric acid, nitrogen oxidation state is plus 5. In nitric acid, nitrogen oxidation state is plus 5. And in nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen oxidation state is plus 4. Nitrogen trioxide, nitrogen oxidation state is plus 3. And nitric oxide plus 2. Nitrous oxide, nitrogen oxidation state plus 1. Diatomic gases 0. Ammonia minus 3. So when we move from left to right, the oxidation number decreases. Therefore, it is called reduction. A simple method, it is an imaginary method used to add these hydrogen atom. That means, if left hand side you have plus, right hand side plus oxidation state, you subtract to get the difference. Left hand side plus, right hand side minus means you add to get the difference. Left hand side oxidation state plus, right hand side plus means subtract that two number to get the difference. For example, left hand side 5, right hand side 4, both are plus. So when you minus these two, you will get 5 minus 1 equal, 5 minus 4 equal to 1. So double the number, 2 hydrogen. 5 minus 4 equal to 1, double that number, 2 hydrogen. Here 5, here 3. Both are positive sign, plus oxidation state. Subtract these two, you will get 2, double that number, 4 hydrogen. 5, here 2, reduction reaction, decreasing in oxidation number. Find the difference 3, double the number, 6 hydrogen. Here 5, here 1, find the difference 4, double the number, 8 hydrogen. Here 5, 0, difference is 5, double the number, 10 hydrogen. Here 5, here minus 3, plus minus, add that number, 5 plus 3 equal to 8, double the number, 16 hydrogen. 16 hydrogen. It is a simple method, but it is not the imaginary method, it is a correct method. So in all these secondary reactions, nitric acid is reduced into nitrogen oxide or hydrate of nitrogen. And one more secondary step we have, in which that nitric acid is reduced into another compounds of nitrogen. This is also secondary step, in which nitric acid is reduced into compounds of nitrogen. HNO3, nitric acid, when reduced with 2 hydrogen, nascent hydrogen, and it is reduced into nitrous acid, HNO2, nitrous acid, plus water molecule same, H2O, water molecule. Nitric acid, HNO3, when reduced with 6 hydrogen, and it is reduced into hydroxylamine, NH2OH, plus H2O, NH2OH, hydroxylamine. And nitric acid, when reduced with the same 6 hydrogen, it is reduced into HNO2, nitrous acid, HNO2, along with H2O. All these are reduction. And nitric acid, HNO3, when reduced with 8 hydrogen, then it is reduced into ammonia NH3 plus H2O water molecule. When nitric acid HNO3 is reduced into again 8 hydrogen and it is reduced into hyponitrous acid H2N2O2 plus H2O, hyponitrous acid plus H2O. So to balance, first reaction is already balanced. Second reaction 6 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, 7 hydrogen, 3 plus 4 equal to 7 hydrogen. And in the third reaction follow 6 hydrogen, 3 nitrogen, 3 nitrogen, totally 9 hydrogen. Here you have 9 hydrogen. 8 hydrogen, 1 nitrogen, so that is balanced with the water molecule. And 8 hydrogen, 4 water molecule. So in all these reactions also nitric acid undergo reduction. How? In nitric acid, the oxidation state of nitrogen is plus 5. This is a constant oxidation state of nitrogen in nitric acid. When 2 hydrogen atoms are added, it is reduced into 2 oxygen minus 4, this is plus 4. Therefore, plus 3 oxidation state of nitrogen in nitrous acid is plus 3. And here minus 1 for nitrogen, plus 3. When you move from left to right, oxidation number decreases. Minus 3, oxidation number decreases. So here plus 1, nitrogen oxidation state. So in all this reaction, nitric acid undergo reduction. In the first type of secondary reaction, all the nitric acid reduced into their oxide. And in the second reaction, all the nitric acid are reduced into their another nitrogen compound. Correct? Then we are going to see tertiary reaction taking place. Tertiary reaction taking place in the reaction of nitric acid with the metal. There are 2 types of tertiary reaction. Primary reaction, secondary reaction, and finally we have tertiary reaction. Tertiary reaction. The secondary product on decomposition gives the tertiary product, or secondary compound react with each other. So 2 types of tertiary reaction, one in which secondary product on decomposition. One of our secondary product, nitrous acid HNO2 undergo decomposition gives nitric acid HNO3 plus nitric oxide plus H2. 3 nitrous acid, 2 NO, the reaction is balanced. Or the same nitrous acid undergo decomposition gives dinitrogen trioxide and H2O. Dinitrogen trioxide and H2O. 2 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen. Hyponitrous acid H2N2O2 undergo decomposition gives nitrous acid plus H2O. So this is one type of tertiary reaction in which secondary product on decomposition gives a tertiary product. Another type of tertiary reaction, secondary product react with each other. React with each other gives tertiary product. How? Nitrous acid, a secondary product, undergo reaction with another secondary product, ammonia gives nitrogen, dinitrogen and H2O, 2 water molecules ஆகும்போது. A secondary product, nitrous acid, undergo reaction with another secondary product, hydroxylamine gives nitrous oxide, one tertiary product along with the water molecule H2O. Another one nitrous acid HNO2 when react with nitric acid, nitrous react with nitric acid gives nitrogen dioxide plus H2O. and nitric acid HNO3 when treated with another secondary product ammonia, this H plus is added to nitrogen gives NH4O NO3 ammonium nitrate. So HNO2 plus HNO3 gives 2NO2 plus H2O. Nitric acid undergo reaction with ammonia gives ammonium nitrate. These are the three steps of reactions of nitric acid with metal. In the coming video, we will discuss how copper undergo reaction with nitric acid, magnesium undergo reaction with nitric acid, zinc undergo reaction with nitric acid. Thank you.